Hollywood Beach, Florida. Hello, friends. Thanks for spending time with me today and joining me from Hollywood Beach, Florida. We're right after the Christmas holiday, and we're going to do a walkabout. This may be a multi-part video where I have run across some information in regards to the top 10 U.S. states. Top 10 out of 50. So I'll be sharing that. Also, maybe at a later time, we'll talk about a follow-up on some travel mistakes to avoid. As I was coming here this morning, I thought or reflected on some of the previous videos that I did in terms of whether you want to rent a car, take Uber, or some type of ride share. Well, if you have a large car, you will have a challenge parking, because most of the parking decks and some of the parking spaces, they're cut for small vehicles. One of my early videos in terms of the price of parking on Fort Lauderdale Beach and Miami Beach the same. Typically it was $4 for 1 hour. And in the earlier video I compared that, contrast that to, it used to be 25 cents for 1 hour. But today it's $5 an hour. So with the electronic billing, many times they don't have to post the price, and they can basically change the price as easy as one click. So that's what happened. Today I'm also going to spend a little time with the underwater feature of this GoPro camera. As I review some of my videos, what I realize is it's a journey. I've had this camera for roughly 3 months. The channel is making progress. I'm learning a lot. So again, thanks for your patience. And I'm able to share a lot. If you're getting value, please, not only do you subscribe, but please have your friends, your social media, have access to this page. For those that's traveling out of the country, this would be a great way to give people in other countries some insight into not only life in South Florida, but a glimpse of maybe what your life or lifestyle is like. As we say that, some of the things I've learned, I'm cognizant of the position of the sun. Okay, so therefore you probably see dark versus you're gonna see light. Now I'm gonna take a sit down and I will put on the underwater lens and see how effective this GoPro is for underwater photography. As I'm about to press the off button, I wanted to thank each of your subscribers, each of these subscribers and friends for comments. One suggested, when I say, I'm not going to utter that phrase because it will stop, but I wanted to show the feature of the new GoPro in terms of voice commands. So I won't use many voice commands now. Another one suggested in terms of upgrading my search engine optimization. So in regards to search engine optimization, if that is something that if you're a subscriber, you don't have to search, because YouTube should produce these videos in your feed. But if you don't subscribe, then some of the search tags will be included. I'm getting a little better on the thumbnail creation on audio. Today I probably will produce some talk over in terms of audio, and we shall see how the day unfolds. Again, it's the last week in December, last week of the year. So with that, let's get started.